Good morning. So welcome to Dakbayan sa Sugbo or Cebu or the old Cebu City. Yes. Okay, so your itinerary this morning, it composed 3 categories spot to visit. We have the upper land or the west town of Cebu, and then second is the historical landmark in the old downtown of Cebu City, and then last is the 10,000 Roses, which is located in Cordova Island. So disclaimer ha, 10,000 Roses is not a garden, it's not a real flower. It is a coffee shop. Huwag niyo maganapan yun ha, nasa yung garden kasi gusto niyo magbilang. No, count. Oo.
What time po tayo dun sa 10,000?
Mga, ano ma'am, 5 to 5:30 ma'am. Yeah.
And Francis. Wala, picture tayo dito. Let's take selfie there. Let's go at the back first. Photo daw. Let's ask him to take photo of us 3. This were her collections when she was alive, Leia. She loves to travel around the world. They are billionaire. Here na because they only give 30 minutes. There's one statue here. You should go. Alikoy, Francis. Come. Take photo of me here. Can you take photo of me here? Wala pa. Same. You need to pee. This is Leah. That's her. They're a billionaire couple they own. But she died already.
June 1967 pa. Dua ko to ko.
Ilan ang anak?
Murag ako na.
The owner.
Dahil siya, Queen.
Couple. Their kids.
88, Queen.
Again, we are here with our tour guide. Just show you the place. Babu Tridip is inside that palace, the temple by the way, and Francis as well. So we'll just let you see the view from outside. Oh, they have restaurant here as well. guys, dear friends, now we are here at Temple of Leah again with 3 Dave and Frances. Hello, Frances. So this is, guys, see? Whew. We are here. Ate JB is here, dear friends. See the view. What you see is the Mactan Island and Cebu City. See? Very nice. Wow. See, friends? It's just very nice. See? Okay, guys, here we are now. See, Little Amsterdam of Cebu. With 3 Dave and Frances, and of course, yours truly, Ate JB. Take. See? Let's go down. Let's go there in the hand. When going back, we'll take photos. Now, just take videos first. My last January, not March, we went here. These flowers, they will sell in Cebu City, na babu. Yeah, it's where all the tourists who come here would stand on that hand and take, yeah, face here. Hello, I am with 3 Dave and Frances. Oh, there's the toilet. That's Volkswagen.
From German.
German car.
It's already gone.
Mm.
Condition is patay.
See? Not all white. Told you. Okay, aras ako. Barog di ako yo. Or I will take photo one by one. Oh, guys. Oh, watch. Please, it's watch your steps.
Careful.
Oh, thank God, it's not so hot. Yung mga kasi patay na ako. You stand there, I will take photo. Babu, I saw your panot head in the video. Show it. You go there, take photo. Up, you climb.
Where's the Francis?
Frances? Kahaho. Kaha. Oh, where? You climb there. I will just be here. I will take photo of you. Climb there. Okay.
Where?
There na. The hand.
Let the face first.
Yeah. So guys, this is the Serao. Serao, I don't know, flower farm. And those are the mountains of Cebu. See? Wow. Very peaceful. Koy, dire koy. Koy. Picturean ti ka dire oh. Guman nila. Wait ah.
Picturean ta mo be.
Guys, this is the view from here at the top of Serao Garden. See? What a lovely view there, friends. I am with Three Div and Francis. See?